we're going to draw a parallel line that goes through the point that we see on our paper. We have a line already drawn for us. We have our point. The first thing I'm going to do is, using my ruler, I am going to draw a line that goes through that point, that connects through the line that I see on my page. This is going to be a transversal when we get through. So I draw that line, best to be at an angle instead of straight up and down. Okay, once I have that transversal, basically from here the only thing I'm doing is copying an angle. So we're repeating our steps for copy an angle. I'm going to take the point on my compass and I'm going to put that point on the vertex of the angle here that I created with my transversal and the line that was already on my page. Now, I don't need that compass to be very wide, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an arc that goes from one side of the angle to the other. And then I'm going to repeat an arc just like it, but this time I'm going to put the point of my compass on the point on my page. And I'm going to make the same type of arc. Now, if you remember our steps from copy and angle, we use the compass to measure how wide the arc is from side to side of that angle. So I'm going to pick up my compass, put the point where that X is, where my arc intersects the angle edge. Now, I'm going to bring my pencil down and I'm going to put my pencil on the other side of that arc. I'm going to sweep my compass down here, bring my pencil back, and then adjust that to where I have the point of my compass on one side of the arc and the pencil end on the other. So if you see, I can make a little swipe here, and that X creates the spot where that line goes through my page. Now I can pick the compass up, put it where my other arc intersects the transversal, and I can make another little X right here, make another little arc, and that makes an X that I can use to be able to connect my parallel line. From here, I can take my straight edge and I'm going to put that through the point that I see on my paper, and I'm going to use that to draw my line connecting my point, and that X marks the spot. So from here, I'm going to draw my line. I can start it anywhere over on that part of the page, goes through the point and through that X. And once we move our ruler and set it to the side, we see we have two parallel lines. And remember, we mark our parallel lines by putting a small arrow on the line to show that it's parallel.